Hey there! If you're facing challenges with your Samsung Galaxy Grand Neo Plus, don't worry. We're here to guide you through the process of getting it back to its optimal performance. In this guide on how to fix Samsung Galaxy Grand Neo Plus, we'll address common issues and offer practical solutions to help you get your device running smoothly again. Step 1. Restart your device. Before diving into more complex solutions, a simple restart can work wonders. Press and hold the power button until the power menu appears. Tap Restart and let your phone reboot. Restarting can resolve minor glitches and improve overall performance. Step 2. Free up storage space. Over time, your device may become sluggish due to cluttered storage. To free up space, go to Settings, then Storage, and identify files or apps you no longer need. Consider transferring photos and videos to a cloud service. Deleting unused apps and large files can significantly enhance your phone's speed and responsiveness. Step 3. Clear cache partition. Clearing the cache partition can eliminate temporary files that might be causing issues. Begin by turning off your device. Press and hold the volume up, home, and power buttons simultaneously. Release the buttons when the Samsung logo appears. Use the volume keys to navigate to Wipe Cache Partition, then press the power button to select. Confirm your choice and reboot your device once the process is complete. This method efficiently cleans out redundant files without affecting personal data. Step 4. Update software. Keeping your software updated is crucial for fixing bugs and improving performance. Check for updates by navigating to Settings, About Phone, Software Updates. If an update is available, download and install it. Regular updates ensure your phone has the latest features and security enhancements. Step 5. Perform a factory reset. If your Samsung Galaxy Grand Neo Plus continues to experience issues after trying the previous steps, a factory reset might be necessary. Before proceeding, ensure you back up all important data, as a factory reset will erase all information on the device. To perform a reset, go to Settings, select Backup and Reset, then tap Factory Data Reset. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. This step often resolves persistent software problems by returning the device to its original setting. Understanding how to fix Samsung Galaxy Grand Neo Plus can empower you to tackle common issues with confidence. Whether you're clearing cache, updating software, or even performing a factory reset, these steps can breathe new life into your device. Remember to back up your data regularly and keep your software up to date to maintain optimal performance. By following this guide, you can ensure your phone continues to serve you well without unnecessary frustrations. Happy troubleshooting!